LiveJoyLimitless, as presented on LiveJoyLimitless.com, the mission is not profit, but purpose, and it serves to help humanity, and one at a time that has been accomplished person by person this semester. The idea and model is that each person will be able to discover, develop, and deliver their highest potential. It is run by me, and what makes it unique is that I and my mentors have proven experience in what we coach on. And it is guaranteed you will have these results by the specified and agreed time if you follow our coaching. What was successful is that I was able to work with many people, and I was able to help them build incredible businesses. For instance, Ernest Peabody in Africa started out as a struggling father and husband, and he gained direction in his life, set incredible goals, set up multiple businesses, including housing agencies, real estate businesses, soap business, and is on the way to being one of the most successful people in Liberia. And he is on track to be a political leader now in Liberia as well, and has a solid plan to make more money for his family than he otherwise would have, as well as spiritual goals like taking his family to be sealed in the temple. These would not have been able to have happened if he had not sought coaching. This was a tremendous success, as well as students in Rexburg who are now approaching dating and engagement and marriage with more confidence and tactics and understanding and knowledge and principles of them and self-understanding. It's been so rewarding to watch people transition in the phases of life they're in and set huge goals and achieve the financial rewards that make those dreams possible. What I would have done differently is that I would have done this business wholeheartedly at a time when I wasn't running multiple other businesses full-time and doing school. There was no monetary gain from this. All of my coaching was professional and on the job, but I did not charge for it. The payment was testimonials, and those are worth so much in coaching, and so those testimonials will benefit me for the remainder of the business. But this season of the business was gaining testimonials, and that was the payment that the clients pay. Why invest in LiveJoyLimitless? Well, to be honest, if it weren't for this class, I would not add this part. I will never seek investors, and am very certain of that. I will fund my own business. However, were I to seek investors, why should you invest in LiveJoyLimitless? As an investor, you have free lifetime coaching for your contribution. You are making a difference to humanity, and the monetary gain to you is at least 15% of all profit. The value is what long-term these people can become, and short-term as well. Once they can create a clear picture of who they are and where they're going and everything it will take to get them to those high things, I know how to teach people how to have a solid self-identity and concept of where they want to go with their life and achieve every last bit of it. What I would do with more time and capital is that I would expand this globally. I would automate it. I would make it so that there would be an entire website where people can self-coach themselves based on my videos, my materials, and interactive games as well. With the time and capital, I could translate it into every language and distribute it to the entire world. And that is exactly what I will do. I will coach and mentor people to 100% financial, spiritual, and eternal freedom.